To create a new user in Linux, you use this command. This creates a new user called John. Now set a password for John. We provide John with a password. Without this, the user cannot log in. To switch to that user, use the command and John's password. Now we are logged in. The reason we got this message was because we did not set up home directory for John, but we are logged in as John. Each user has a different permission. That's where change mode and change owner comes in. In order to know more about those topics, watch the next video. Now let us delete John. Now John has been deleted. I hope this has been helpful. Can I ask you to please subscribe to my channel, to like and to share? Thank you.